whole circle to be what again? 54. And just so we're clear here, I'm going to put a little arrow. This would be girls who play sports. So if I wanted to, if I asked you what percentage of the school are girls who play sports, you would say 27%. Okay. Now, even though this isn't written here, what is this circle without the middle piece going to be? The boys who play sports, right? Okay. Well, how am I going to figure out this little area right here? Okay, so I'm saying this is percent of boys. So some people are saying 30. Okay, so it is implied in here that, and we know that this whole thing is 54%, which would then say the boys in the school is at, the percent of students who are boys would be 46%. But we know that that 46%, okay, has, wait a minute. Nope.
Because you have to figure out how many guys versus girls there are.
Oh, no. My fault. I'm told 62% of students play sports.
Yeah.
That's what, when you were saying the 35, that's what you were saying, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Because this is the boys' total, but in this thing, in this circle, it does not account for the boys who don't play sports. So you're right, total it has to add up to be 46, but we don't know what this is. We have to use this. 62%, this entire thing's 62%, and I'm going to do 0.62 minus 0.27 because that's the overlap. And what is that? 0.35. Okay. Now, would you add up 0.27 plus 0.27 plus 0.35? Okay, wait a second. That can't be right, because what should the entire school add up to be? 100%. So that means that this rectangular area, and we might not have ever dealt with this with a Venn diagram before, the rectangle which is outside the Venn diagram, that represents the boys who don't play sports. I don't know. So that would have to be, since this is 0.89, right, that would have to be 0.11. Okay, or 11%. Okay, so there's a little sampling of probability for you. For what? I'm just doing a breakdown of the different categories.
Right. Well, I'm just saying that since
based on that information, those would be the different, that's the percentage or the breakdown of girls and boys and who plays sports and not. So of the school, 27% of the school are girls who don't play sports. 27% of the school are girls who do play sports. 35% represents the percentage of the school that are boys that play sports, and 11% would represent the percentage of the school that are boys who don't play sports. Okay? Cool. All right. So, assignment. 9.3, 3 through 30 triples. This is the same deal as before. Probability is not difficult to evaluate. It is very difficult to sort through information and figure out what you're trying to look for, so that you might need to ask me some questions. Not might, you will.